Morning, children. Today we are going to start with our drawing. So children, this we are not going to do in the book. This work you will do in the copy. So for doing this collage work in the copy, you will need, first of all, this is the copy page, the drawing sheet I have taken. Then you will need some few glaze papers, yellow, brown, blue, red and green. You will also need a glue stick to stick these papers in the copy for making that collage. Now, how are you going to make the collage, children? Now, first, children, we will start with making the red margins as we do in our copy. With the help of scale, you will do this. Then write the date, today's date. Then the topic collage or scenery. Okay, then first we will draw the collage. So first I am making these clouds. Then after the clouds we will make a pathway on which we are going to make a hut first. The hut is different in the book, but with the help of scale we will make the same hut we have learnt before. Okay, so like this, with the help of scale you will make one hut before. Please use a scale for making all the lines. Do not dirty your work by doing it freehand. Then we will make a tree, and at the side of that a rock mountain. Then after this we will start with our collage work, for which you will need some glaze papers and tearing like this into small bits. Now once you have tore the small bits of these papers, the color papers, you will put glue on each and you will stick them according to the size or the shape that you have made of this. Now cover another cloud. Same way you have to put glue on each of the bit and then you have to stick it on the in the clouds and all the other shapes. So like this I am doing, you have to do the same way, children. Cover the entire space that is left as I am doing. Do not give any space in between. So here I have covered the entire cloud. Now we have to make a sun. For sun you will need yellow glaze paper. So take small bits of the paper and stick it in the form of a circle. Take small bits so that you don't take out the pages from the shape. Now make the rays of the sun with a red color pencil. Next we are moving to the hut. First we will make the roof of the hut with a red color. So like this properly you will arrange all the bits and you will stick it in the roof part. So like this I am tearing the small bits. You will also take these small bits, only this of this size, and you will try to cover the entire roof with it. Now we will move to the house, which will be of yellow color. So again paste all the small bits of the paper covered with glue and stick it in the hut. Do it very carefully, children. Do not put much glue as the paper will come off and it will not stick properly. So apply only sufficient and required amount of glue. After this, what we are going to do after this, we will make the door of our house with brown color sheet. So take the bits of brown color and stick it like this. Now children, make a lane that passes through the door to the street, and in the plain area below the house you will use brown color bits of sheets to cover this entire area, and take small bits of the sheet to cover this entire space. Leave the lane of the house that is connecting to the road and just cover the remaining part like this. Once you have done this, now we'll put the bits of paper in the tree. So take small bits and cover the tree in the very same manner we have done up till now. Also the trunk of the tree will be of brown color, so stick the brown color stick over there, the bit of there. Now the mountain rock, I am using for mountain rock blue color paper. You can use the grey color sheet as given in the book also children, or you can use blue color sheet as I am using here. Now after this we will make a small church as it is made in the book. So you will make a small church over here, and in the street lane area we will do it with a green color sheet. So cover this area with green color bits. Now with the help of green color pencil we will make grass over here. So like this you will make grass with slanting line at all the three places. And once you are done, your collage is complete and you have to do it in the copies. I hope you enjoyed it children. Bye bye. Have a good day and complete this work.